Welcome to Ghost Horse Productions. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel for new upcoming content. We will begin with this first clip, where a very large-sized spider can be seen creeping around the entrance gate to a person's house. It's basically a tarantula, and without a doubt not something you would want to see in your doorbell camera. In this next video, a bear found its way to the front door of this family's home, where it stayed for a few moments as if it was asking them for a place to sleep and eat some food.
Bear, go. Bear, go away. Bear, go away. What are you looking at me? Bear, go away.
It's not every day that you see a bear in your local neighborhood. In this final video, a man witnessed a very rare event when his doorbell camera captured a meteorite falling from outer space. The glow from the falling object lasted for quite some time, which was perhaps the most stunning aspect of this encounter. What kind of Ring doorbell footage would you like to see us post next? Let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thank you for watching.